choosing the right PC case is crucial for both aesthetics and performance. And in 2025, mid-tower cases continue to strike the perfect balance between size, airflow, and expandability. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a productivity powerhouse, a quality mid-tower case offers ample space for components, good cable management, and efficient cooling. This year's top models blend innovative features, sleek designs, and user-friendly layouts to suit a range of needs and budgets. In this guide, we've rounded up the 6 best mid-tower PC cases of 2025 to help you find the perfect foundation for your build. Corsair Frame 4000 DRS ARGB Modular. The Corsair Frame 4000 DRS ARGB is a standout mid-tower PC case in 2025, offering a fully modular design that caters to modern builders and enthusiasts alike. Priced at $109.99, it brings impressive flexibility and cooling potential, making it ideal for high-performance systems. The innovative InfiniRail trademark fan mounting system allows for precise, adjustable fan placements, while support for dual 360mm radiators ensures superior thermal management. Notably, it's built with reverse connector motherboard compatibility, supporting platforms like ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero. The included 3 RS 120 ARGB fans provide vibrant lighting and efficient airflow right out of the box. A GPU anti-sag stabilization arm helps secure heavier graphics cards, and the swappable front I/O adds customization to front panel connectivity. With its clean design, spacious interior, and forward-thinking features, the Frame 4000 DRS ARGB is a future-ready case that blends functionality, aesthetics, and cooling versatility for today's PC builders. Fractal Design Meshify 3. The Fractal Design Meshify 3, priced at $94.99, is a sleek and airflow optimized mid-tower PC case designed for performance and versatility. Its distinctive mesh front panel ensures excellent ventilation, while the tool-less push-to-lock panels and modular brackets make building and upgrading hassle-free. Inside, it offers a spacious layout that supports ATX, eATX, Mini ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, along with room for 6 fans and radiators up to 280mm on the top. Clean cable management is made easy with a dedicated cable cover, hook and loop straps, and aligners. The front I/O panel features USB-C Generation 2x2, dual USB-A ports, and a combined audio jack for modern connectivity. The Ambience Pro RGB version enhances aesthetics with ARGB lighting and includes 3 Momentum RGB fans with silent high-performance operation, all controlled through a web-based Adjust Pro hub. Built from industrial steel and tempered glass, the Meshify 3 delivers a premium feel with top-tier functionality. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow, priced at $119.99, is a premium mid-tower ATX case built for superior airflow and user-friendly assembly. Designed with high-performance cooling in mind, it features perforated front and top panels that enhance intake and exhaust efficiency. The case supports up to 10 fans, includes pre-installed units, and accommodates radiators up to 420mm in the front and 360mm on top. A vertical PSU layout and bottom fan mount provide direct GPU cooling, ideal for powerful graphics cards. The toolless front and side panels simplify access during builds, while the intuitive cable management system, with wide routing channels, built-in hooks, and Velcro straps keeps everything tidy. It also supports vertical GPU mounting, kits sold separately for a clean showcase build. Connectivity is solid with dual USB-A 3.2, one USB-C 3.2, and a combo audio jack. Available in matte black, matte white, and two-tone. The H7 Flow offers both performance and style. iCUE Link 5000 TLX RGB. The Corsair iCUE Link 5000 TLX RGB, priced at $364.99, is a premium mid-tower PC case that combines high-end design with cutting-edge functionality. Featuring Corsair's iCUE Link system, it simplifies fan and lighting connections using a single cable to a central hub, significantly reducing clutter and improving airflow. The case includes 3 LX 120 RGB fans and integrated Aurora RGB light strips, delivering vibrant diffused lighting customizable via iCUE software. Its steel chassis is both sleek and sturdy, with tool-free hinged panels, rapid route cable management, and removable mesh panels for effortless building and cooling. Supporting reverse connector motherboards, the 5000 TLX offers next-gen compatibility. It fits up to 10 times 120mm fans or multiple 360mm radiators, making it ideal for high-performance cooling setups. With front I/O including USB-C, multiple USB 3.2 ports, and a combo audio jack, this case is both stylish and highly functional. Perfect for enthusiasts who want top-tier aesthetics and performance. Lian Li Vector 510. The Lian Li Vector V10, priced at just $59.99, is a value-packed mid-tower chassis designed for performance, aesthetics, and clean cable management. It supports back-connect motherboards, enabling a clutter-free interior and optimized space usage. Compatible with ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, and eATX, up to 246mm wide. Boards, the Vector V10 is versatile and ready for a range of builds. For cooling, it accommodates up to 9 fans and supports 360mm and 280mm radiators, ensuring excellent thermal performance. A pre-installed GPU support bracket adds extra stability to heavier graphics cards, while dual 4mm tempered glass panels offer a stunning 270-degree view of your components. The integrated ARGB light strip with 26 LEDs adds customizable lighting effects, syncable with motherboard software for a cohesive setup. Additionally, the tool-free cable management system with a dedicated front chamber makes building and tidying cables straightforward. The Vector V10 is ideal for builders seeking premium features on a budget. HYTE RT X5090 build. The HYTE RTX 5090 build, priced at $6,110 is a top-tier gaming and productivity powerhouse featuring cutting-edge components and sleek aesthetics. At its core is the Ryzen 9950X 3D CPU paired with the RTX 5090 GPU, delivering unparalleled performance for gaming, content creation, and AI workloads. Housed in the futuristic HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite case, this build showcases a large touchscreen display and ample interior space for triple radiators and high-end cooling setups. Key components include a 1300-watt power supply, 96GB DDR5 RAM, and a lightning-fast 4TB NVMe SSD. The build often embraces a clean white aesthetic with matching X870E motherboard, GPU shroud, and AIO cooler. Designed with airflow and visual appeal in mind, the Y70 also supports vertical GPU mounting via a riser cable. With customizable RGB, exceptional thermal performance, and bleeding-edge specs, The HYTE RTX 5090 build is the ultimate enthusiast PC for 2025's most demanding applications.